In my last video, I promised to come back and show you the results from the hair oil I used on my thinning edges. Just look at this. My edges are growing back, and honestly, I'm proud of the progress so far. But growing your edges is only the beginning. I want full, thick and strong hair from root to tip. That is why I have moved on to this next step. A powerful herbal spray made with onion, neem, hibiscus and fenugreek, all blended to target hair growth, breakage and scalp problems. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I share simple natural hair growth recipes that works, especially if you have been struggling with breakage, shedding or slow growth. So hit that subscribe button and join this healthy hair journey. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. This is the one for me. If your hair is stuck, shedding or just not growing like it should, you might want to try this with me. Let me show you how I made it. Rosemary promotes hair growth by improving circulation. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Hibiscus contains vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants. These nutrients nourish the scalps and hair follicles, stimulating hair growth and strengthening hair strands. Onions contain sulfur and improves blood circulation to the hair follicles. It nourishes the hair and stimulates hair growth. Neem leaves have antifungal and antibacterial properties that help reduce dandruff and soothe the scalp. The antioxidants and nutrients in neem leaf help stimulate hair growth, strengthening hair follicles. Neem also helps to eliminate lice and lice eggs. Into a plate or a jar, add 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 4 to 5 leaves of hibiscus. Add your blended or your chopped onions. Add your blended neem leaves. Then you add warm water. Stir very well and leave it to sit for a day. But if you're in a hurry, you can gently boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then bring it down and allow to cool. Strain and pour into your spray bottle, and our herbal Ayurvedic spray is ready. Store in the refrigerator and use within 7 days. If you do not have a refrigerator, make it in small quantity so you can finish it at once. Spray directly into your scalp, your edges and anywhere you want new growth. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need to rinse it out. I get these questions each time, so I'm going to answer it here. Number 1 question: can I add essential oils to this hairspray? My dear, yes. You can add a few drops of peppermint or rosemary oil. Number 2 question: won't onions smell bad? Well, not really. You can still add essential oils to mask the smell. Number 3 question: can I use it on relaxed or colored hair? Absolutely. It's gentle and all natural, so you can use it. And the last question: when will I see results? Some people notice less shedding in just a few days, but for visible growth, give it 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Real growth doesn't happen overnight. So guys, this is the one of my growth challenge. I'm using this spray daily. So if you are ready to grow with me, comment real growth below. Subscribe so you don't miss out on my DIYs. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share with someone you know is frustrated with hair loss. Let's grow together. See you in my next video. Bye.